Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to authorize Twitter account, updated. Open Twitter, click More, then Settings and Privacy to begin. Start at Security and Account Access, then choose Apps and Sessions to review connected apps. Revoke suspicious access and reauthorize only trusted apps using OAuth prompts. Check permissions carefully and enable two-factor authentication for extra protection when authorizing new apps. Open Settings and Privacy, then Security and Account Access, and tap Apps and Sessions to see active connections right away. Select any connected app to inspect permissions and revoke access if something looks off. When you reauthorize, make sure the app requests only necessary permissions and complete the OAuth flow on the app site or mobile interface. This reduces risk and keeps your account. If an app shows as expired or fails to connect, reauthorize it using the app's normal login and OAuth prompts. Clearing your browser cache or trying another browser or device often resolves connection hiccups quickly. If an app looks malicious, revoke access immediately, change your password, and report the app to Twitter support so they can investigate and protect other users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.